The best vegan sweet potato cinnamon swirl bread you'll ever bake. It's soft, golden, full of cinnamon sugar goodness, and 100% plant-based. Trust me, you'll want this one on repeat all year long. We're talking moist, rich, delicious magic that's easy to make and perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a little snack. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to make it from scratch and share with you some fun twist at the end. In case you're new here, I'm Rosa, and today I'm so excited to share with you one of my absolute favorite recipes. It's my sweet potato cinnamon swirl bread. I love this recipe because it reminds me of a cozy morning with a warm drink in hand and my house filled with that delicious cinnamon smell. When I was growing up, coming from a Jamaican family, sweet potatoes were definitely a staple in our home. But when I first started adding the sweet potatoes to my bread recipes with the cinnamon swirl, let me tell you, it took it to a whole nother level. So let me share with you how to make this fabulous bread. It's best practice to blend dry ingredients together before adding it to the wet ingredients. This will distribute the baking powder and baking soda throughout and ensure even baking. This process can be done before preparing the batter. That way, you avoid the batter from sitting too long. This batter smells incredible already. This will bake into the most gorgeous golden crust, sweet, a little crisp, and just adds that bakery style finish. So while the bread is in the oven baking, I just wanted to share with you a few ways how I like to have it once it's all done. So usually I would make it the traditional way and add a little bit of vegan butter on it while it's nice and warm. And sometimes I would toast it and actually spread a little bit like almond butter on it, or even peanut butter. Tastes delicious. Another way I like to make it is to make it into a vegan French toast. It comes out absolutely delicious, and I serve it with some extra fruit on the side and a nice hot cup of coffee or tea. But it's really special if you wrap it up and gift it to someone you love. Now that the bread is fully cooled, we're going to take it over the top with a simple vanilla glaze. This is very easy to make. Powdered sugar, plant-based milk, and vanilla. Mix until smooth. If it's too thick, add a little more milk, 1 teaspoon at a time. Once your bread has cooled completely, drizzle the glaze over the top using a spoon. This glaze adds just the right amount of sweetness and brings everything all together. That golden cinnamon crust with this creamy vanilla glaze, chef's kiss. If you're loving this, let me know in the comments what would you add. Chocolate chip, pecans or walnuts, or would you just keep it classic cinnamon? If you know anyone who will be interested in plant-based cooking, please share this channel. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future recipes. Thank you so much for spending time with me in the kitchen today. And I will see you on the next video. Bye for now. Don't forget to check out my easy vegan cookbook and my other 7 cookbooks, all available on my website, thedivinechef.com. Whether you're looking for quick meals, smoothies, or holiday treats, there's something for everyone.